Hey everybody, in this video we are going to make paper fans. Cut multiple strips from colorful paper and then start weaving it like this. Now cut a shape and paste double-sided tape around it like this, and we are going to paste another strip of paper like this. After that flip it and again fix the corners like this, and look, it is ready. Then make a stick by folding this orange craft paper, and look, it is ready. Let's make this paper gun. For that, take a green craft paper. We are taking a A4 sheet here and start folding it like this. After that, fold it into half and twist it like this, and we are going to roll it using another piece of paper. Tuck it inside and give it a shape of a gun like this. After that, we are going to roll a paper and fold it and paste all of them together like this, and look, it is ready. In this video, we are going to learn a very creative hack. For that, we are twisting this green strip of paper. Now fold it like this and start cutting it, and look, you'll get a big circle. Same way, we are going to paste these two strips of red paper together and make cuts on it like this. Now open it and look, you'll get two little hearts. Thank you so much for watching this video.